Hello everyone, I am fresh-faced here. Well, my name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama, but I am fresh-faced here, just woke up, haven't washed my face, and as you saw by the title, I am going to be showing you guys a little skincare routine. That's actually a new review on this product right here, which is the Radiance Spin Care System Water Resistant from, I think it's DUVOLLE right here. I'll show you guys an up close right here. So this comes with 4 deep cleansing brushes. Cleansing, exfoliate in a pumice stone. Reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiant Skin Care System. Deeply cleanse. It cleanses your skin. Yeah, so I am super excited to try this out. This was sent to me for review, which I am so excited about. So thank you so much to this company for sending this out to me for review to share with you guys. And I do have a 70% off coupon for you guys, which is such an amazing coupon. So thank you to them. That coupon is BABE2019. I will comment that right down below. So definitely go check them out, guys. I'm going to be reviewing this for a good month or so, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how I like it and all that. Alright, since I am sitting at my makeup desk and doing my face, which I usually don't do, I usually do it in the shower or over the sink, I'm just going to use this right here, which is some water, and then spray this. Actually, first off, we're going to I'm going to use this brush right here. So I'm kind of curious if these have different. Exfoliating brush is made with soft bristles, especially designed for tender facial skin. Gently move the brush across your face while moving the unit in a circular motion. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here. It does come with that pumice stone, which I'm very excited about to use for my feet. So maybe I'll show you guys that in another video. Today we're just going to focus on this. So I'm going to put this on like so. That went on super easy. Just going to wet my face. Whew! And then I'm going to go in with the Pharmacy Clean Bee. We got this in a subscription box. I've been really enjoying this, so I'm just going to kind of rub this in my face and then have the brush do the rest of the work. Alright, so it doesn't go too fast. Ooh, this is like a face massage. Oh, I love this. I can already tell this is going to be something that I for sure use every day. I think this is one that I would really use after I take my makeup off, because I really do feel like makeup, even if you wipe it off, it just sits in your skin. Gosh, this feels amazing. Okay, I'm going to apply a bit more water and then wipe my face. Okay, I'm looking at my face. It just feels so smooth, y'all. So that definitely, it exfoliates the face. I really enjoy this one. This kind of reminds me of like the Clarisonic, but I have never tried the Clarisonic before, but like the little brush and stuff does. This is awesome. My face just looks super refreshed, and I really feel like my pores seem to be a lot tighter. I'm just really excited to use this for like a month and see if I notice any difference. I always have like these little bumps right here in this area. So I'm hoping maybe that will help it out and also help out some of the dry patches that I have on my face. So this did come with a bigger brush, which I mean, obviously this one is for the body, which I'm so excited about because I'm going to be using this on the back of my legs, and my arms sometimes get dry, so very excited to try that. And then again, it came with this that I'm going to use on the bottom of my feet, and then this is kind of like a softer brush for the face as well. So I'm super excited to try this out. So right now I am going to apply some of this right here. This is a L'Oreal Revitafil hyaluronic acid. It's got a little dropper, and I use this when I notice that my face is getting a little red in that area and I am breaking out a tidbit for when I'm on my girly time, you know what I mean. So I let that sink in, and then I'm going to apply some of this right here. This is the Laneige water-based moisturizing cream, which I have not tried this out. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I feel like this is going to be a really good like night cream for the face. So I'm most likely going to be going outside with Hunter when he gets home soon. So I'm going to put some of my SPF. This is just the Lancome SPF because I just do want to protect my face. I'm getting super hydrated today, but I do feel like this little system thing, this would be really great to use right before you did your makeup as well, because you'd have a very even and like smooth application. Alright, so overall review on this product so far is that I really like it. It did exfoliate my face like it said it would. So can't give my 2-2 overall opinion, like review. That was my first impression, I guess I should have said. But I'm going to be using this for quite some time, and I will come back. I'm going to be using this for quite some time. I'm going to be using this for like a month, and then I will come back and let you guys know how I really like it. But so far, I really like it. I think it's so important to take care of your skin. Like I said, take advantage of that coupon code guide. Guys, I will link all of the information down below. Thank you so much again to this company for sending this to me for a review. I really, really appreciate it. It'll be in some of my upcoming videos. I do think I'm going to upload a skincare routine for you guys, so stay tuned for that because I've been using some products like this and a few other things that I've been really enjoying. So if you guys want to see that video, definitely comment down below and let me know. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing any of my other videos, be sure you hit that thumbs up button so I know that you liked it. Hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.